Being a chef for me is being able to express myself through my experiences. It's being able to tell a story about an ingredient. That's what being a chef for me is. Thinking about, the different ingredients you want to use and that you do use, and manipulating them into creating this dish that expresses who you are. When I'm putting together a new menu or a menu item, I really try to create an experience through the food, through the flavors, bringing subtlety of my experiences into that dish. I try to utilize ingredients from where I've been and where my travels have been. I've traveled many places, but there's so many places that I've never been, and there's so many ingredients out there that I've never heard of, and my passion takes me to a place where I want to. So I look for different ingredients. I taste something and I smell something or I see something. It's a complete kind of picture of where I got that ingredient or where I had that flavor from. I look to test and try as many new ingredients as I possibly can. Being able to bring a dish together so it all makes sense is just fun.